Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to set up Streamlabs OBS. Setting up Streamlabs OBS on your computer is a straightforward process to enhance your live streaming experience. To do that, begin by downloading Streamlabs OBS. Go to your browser, then search for Streamlabs. Then click the official website of streamlabs.com. Then in here, click the download button or download Streamlabs desktop. Then download your Streamlabs OBS and install it. After you install it, open the Streamlabs application and click on the settings tab at the left side. And configure your stream settings includes bitrate on the output, also encoder, and when it comes to video tab, the resolutions. Connect your streaming accounts such as Twitch, YouTube, or Facebook to Streamlabs OBS for seamless integration. Then customize your stream layout by adding sources like webcam, overlays, alerts, and chat widgets. And that's how to set up Streamlabs OBS. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.